right? That's the best way to have it.
A huge dog making its way down the track, all the way up from Pennsylvania. You've seen him on Monster Jam.
It's a dick.
And you've seen him here. One of the stars of the show
There we
last
go.
September. Featured on Truck Song. About to send 10,000 pounds of machine through the air for your entertainment. So let them hear it, folks.
I hope so.